downtime. From financial damage, repair cost and time, to terrible casualties, unexpected downtime can critically damage a corporation, with damages ranging from a decline in corporate productivity to a loss of customer trust. Productivity is a competitive advantage that manufacturers must have. Downtime causes critical declines in productivity. A predictive maintenance solution is the best way to minimize the damage. Introducing UYeG from IT Space. UYeG is an IoT smart motor protection relay and integrative predictive maintenance solution that detects possible anomalies in industrial facilities and provides alerts when the inspection or the placement of the equipment is needed. Now, here we can easily hear stories of how people recover from cancer due to early detection. Of course, UYeG will act as your industrial physician, constantly checking the health of your industrial equipment. The equipment's nerve cell network is created with the electric predictive maintenance solution. Information on current, voltage, wattage, panel temperature, humidity, and motor temperature is analyzed and help the facility to result the zero downtime. UYeG also provides a customized solution optimized for each field. Its interface is optimized for customers' perspective, provides the various analyses, and a flexible screen which allows modeling, monitoring, and controlling. UYeG provides not only the measurements or diagnosis, but practical solutions. Based on the automatically collected big data, a multifaceted, energy-conserving solution is created. Remove any unstable factors through the meticulous analysis with prevention made by UYeG. UYeG can be applied to all fields of businesses where motors are used, including petroleum, chemicals, automobiles, and railways. Many corporations in Korea are already using IT Space's predictive maintenance solution, UYeG. Global corporations including Hyundai Motors, POSCO, and Korea Aerospace Industries Limited have formed partnerships with us. With the accumulated experience of IT Space, we will continue to provide our outstanding UYeG predictive maintenance solution to corporations around the world. With our amazingly low prices, UYeG provides the only solution that can bring affordable and predictive maintenance throughout the entire facility. The fourth industrial revolution's boundary, the generation of hyperconnectivity and hyperintelligence. Predict the future before you move on. IT Space, UYeG.